To access product attribute analysis, navigate to the left-hand navigation bar. Currently, there are 3 ways available for creating monitoring reports. The first way is the search results page, where you can input any search term, brand, or category name. The system will automatically gather all products from the Amazon search results page. You can then select the target products in bulk for monitoring based on your needs. The second way is the BSR list, where you can copy any BSR list link and quickly monitor the content based on the selected number of products. The third way is uploading a custom set of ASIN's Amazon standard identification numbers to monitor a specific set of products effortlessly. For example, searching keyword earbuds headphones, our system automatically retrieves the corresponding search results from Amazon. You can quickly select the desired product and generate a comprehensive product attribute analysis report. This report provides valuable insights and information about the chosen product, aiding in making informed decisions. Part 1. Product Analysis. Attribute Distribution. By analyzing the market distribution of selected attributes, we can help clarify the direction of product segmentation. Understanding the proportion of each attribute can provide valuable insight into market trends and consumer preferences. Sales trend of attributes. Continuously tracking the sales trends of all parameters under each attribute can help us stay up to date with market changes. By monitoring the sales performance of each attribute, we can identify potential opportunities and make informed decisions to optimize our product offerings. It is crucial to stay vigilant and responsive to changes in the market to remain competitive and meet the evolving needs of our customers. Part 2. Market Analysis. Understanding the current state of the products in this report is essential. Sales trends. Analyzing the overall sales situation of the market from the perspectives of brand share and market share is crucial. This will provide insights into the performance of the current market. Brand competition. Summarizing the brand information of the products in this report will help evaluate how different brands are performing in the market. Understanding the competitive landscape is essential for strategic decision-making. Bestsellers. Continuously monitoring the monthly sales of each product and focusing on those with significant sales growth will help identify key market entry points. This information will assist in quickly identifying potential areas for business expansion. By analyzing these aspects of the market, we can gain a comprehensive understanding of the current sales situation, brand competition, and identify potential opportunities for growth. Part 3. Product Details. This section provides a comprehensive overview of all the products, including their variants, within the current market segmentation insights report. It includes detailed information on the basic characteristics and corresponding attributes of each product. Custom Attribute Analysis. You can ask the AI any questions about product attributes based on your specific analysis needs, and it will provide you with answers in just a minute.